Imagine a crypto project that blends powerful DeFi tools, innovative NFT opportunities, and a gold-backed investment system that's designed to grow value over time, all while being community-driven. Well, that is InfinitiCoin, or INCO. Stick with me as I show you why InfinitiCoin might be one of the most promising projects of this year. If we head to InfinitiCoin.com, we can see exactly what InfinitiCoin is building. And honestly, guys, this is a hybrid ecosystem merging DeFi, NFTs, and this amazing gold investment framework that can actually create lasting value. The white paper explains how the team reinvests profit from global gold trading operations back into the InfinitiCoin ecosystem. This real-world connection is what makes InfinitiCoin stand out in a crowded crypto market. And honestly, this is something that I consider to be truly unique. The website also features a where to buy INCO section, clearly showing all supported exchanges and Web3 wallets, so anyone can get started easily. Now, let's talk about tokenomics. InfinitiCoin, or INCO as the ticker, is a BEP20 token, which is on the Binance Smart Chain. It has a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens, and it has 50% for listing liquidity, 15% for ecosystem development, 15% for team and advisors, 10% community rewards and incentives, and we can see 5% for the initial coin offering, which is the pre-sale, and 5% for the reserve fund. Personally, I think this is a fantastic pre-sale structure because having 50% for listing liquidity really allows for the project to distribute the tokens to the community via the markets. This structure overall ensures strong liquidity for listings, rewards for the community, and supports InfinitiCoin's long-term growth. So overall, very impressed with these tokenomics. The roadmap is ambitious but realistic, and as we can see, they have absolutely destroyed it so far by ticking off basically everything up to this point. In phase 1, they had token deployment, website launch, and smart contract audits. In phase 2, there was the ICO rollout and community building. In phase 3, which is the current phase, INCO is actually live on PancakeSwap right now and listed on LBank with growing liquidity. And phase 4 is all about major exchange listings. Exchanges like Binance, OKX, Mexi, plus the rollout of InfinitiCoin's NFT marketplace and expanded gold investment features. So far, they have been absolutely nailing their roadmap with tons of things to come. And the fact that they're ticking off so many of these things really does say to me that the team is reliable, credible, and legitimate. Now, at the time of this video, INCO is trading with a lot of stability, but prices move fast. For the latest price, market cap, and trading volume, you can actually go ahead and check InfinitiCoin or CoinGecko, but we are on CoinMarketCap for this case. And here we can see that yes, it's currently around a $10 million market cap with over 2 million in daily volume, which is incredible. And they have over 13,000 holders already. INCO's price history shows an all-time high of around 2 cent 1 and an all-time low near 0.005 cents, meaning it's currently trading roughly 50% below its all-time high and more than 100% above its all-time low. That positions INCO in an attractive accumulation zone for long-term believers. And as we can see by this chart right now, it's definitely starting to gain momentum. So do not miss this opportunity. Now, where can you get InfinitiCoin or INCO? First up, we can get it on LBank. As you can see here, it's very easy to trade. All you got to do is have an account and then press the buy button, mark it, and then type in how much you would like to buy with. After that, simply press buy and confirm, and it will be in your exchange wallet. Now, LBank is probably the best and safest place to buy this because it is a centralized exchange and it has super deep liquidity, which means you're not going to get too much slippage when you buy the token. Now, another place you can buy this is simply on PancakeSwap, but definitely don't just type it into PancakeSwap. Go to the website first here and then click the PancakeSwap button to open up this web page. This is how you know you're buying the real token and not some fake copycat. This is super important because there are a lot of fakers and coins copying the successful coins like this one to try and scam people. So definitely avoid doing that and use the official links. Now, InfinitiCoin is also fully integrated into the Web3 ecosystem. It's accessible through Binance Web3 Wallet, OKX Web3, Bybit Web3, BitGet Web3, MetaMask, and even 1 inch. So this basically allows anyone to buy it from any of the major wallets. Another important point here is that InfinitiCoin isn't just about trading, it's about community and trust. On Binance Scan, InfinitiCoin proudly holds a reputation checkmark. Here we can see the token on Binance Scan, and yes, the checkmark is present. The project community is also super active across their socials, which is Telegram, Twitter, and even the CoinMarketCap community, which if we scroll down, we can see they already have thousands of followers. To sum it up, InfinitiCoin isn't just another token, it is a project combining DeFi utility, NFT opportunities, and the gold-backed investment strategies all into one super powerful ecosystem. The project is listed on LBank and PancakeSwap, integrated with the top Web3 apps such as Binance, OKX, and Bybit, and it's anchored by real-world gold investments. And if that wasn't enough, it's backed by a super transparent roadmap that's going fantastically and super fast community growth. If you're interested, visit InfinitiCoin.com, read the white paper, explore the project on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, and see why InfinitiCoin might be one of the rarest gems in crypto today. And of course, guys, always do your own research, but don't overlook this one. InfinitiCoin could be the hidden gem you've been waiting for. That's going to be it from me, and we'll see you guys in the next video.